This is ITV. Before we continue our programming, we will have to bring you an important announcement. Just after 12:40 this afternoon, we have received reports that holes were swallowing all types of objects. Some witnesses said that these holes have been appearing inside homes, schools and parks. It has not been confirmed why this was happening during these past minutes. However, this situation will continue until further notice. We have no more information for now. Please stand by as we get the latest news as soon as possible. This is ITV. We have some new information to bring you. Witnesses have reported that not just objects have been swallowed up by these holes, but it has been said that it has also been swallowing humans. Because of this, we must warn everybody to run up to their highest grounds, as it has been said that holes will not occur on higher floors. It has also been said that these holes come in different sizes, with the smallest ones coming at 10 to 15 centimeters, while the biggest ones come at 5 meters. About 45 people were said to have been swallowed up by these holes. The amount of the people being swallowed is expected to rise for this time of day. That is everything we have for now. We will bring you more information on the ITV lunchtime news. For now, we will resume normal programming.